Hello students, in this video I have made one Bluetooth operated LED circuit. So that I have connected my LED to a Bluetooth device. This is a Bluetooth device, and with the help of Arduino I am operating this LED with the help of Arduino and one Bluetooth device, and I have connected this Bluetooth device to my phone. This is my phone. In that I have connected the Bluetooth device so that I can switch on and off this LED with the help of Bluetooth device. You can see here, I will show you the operation of this LED, how it is getting on and off. This is my LED app for controlling this LED. I have downloaded this app and I have connected the LED to this Bluetooth. And what is happening here is, the Bluetooth of my phone is connected to this Bluetooth device. Now if I will put off command, as you can see LED is already on. If I will put off command, the LED will get off, and if I will put on command, the LED will get on. So off, on, off, on, off, on. So in this way you can see that I am operating this LED with the help of Bluetooth of my phone. If I am outside of the home also, if I am in some distance, then I can operate this LED with the help of Bluetooth. Now we will see about the circuit connection. So what you have to do is, I will send you the diagrams also. See, here you can see there is one you can see here very closely. You can see here there are transmitter and receiver pins are there. So you have to connect this transmitter receiver pins to the transmitter and receiver pins of this Bluetooth device. What you have to do is, you have to connect the transmitter TX of the Arduino to RX of the Bluetooth device. Here it is written RX. So you have to connect the TX of the Arduino to RX of the Bluetooth device, and same as the RX of the Arduino you have to connect to the TX of the Bluetooth device. So means interchange. You have to connect the TX of the Arduino to RX of the Bluetooth device, and RX of the Arduino to TX of the Bluetooth device. So in that way you can connect the transmitter and receiver terminals. After that there will be two terminals left in Bluetooth. One is ground and one is 5-volt supply. So ground will be connected to the ground pin. So here you can see this white wire, it is going to the, here is the ground pin, two ground pins are there. So I am connecting on one ground pin, and the 5-volt supply will be given from the point where is written 5-volt in the Arduino, just above the ground pin. Just above the ground pin there is written 5-volt. So you can give the 5-volt supply to our Bluetooth device. Now you have already known that how to connect the Bluetooth to the Arduino. Now we have to connect one LED to our Arduino device, because what we are going to do is, we are operating the LED. This here is my LED is there. So I am operating this LED with the help of this Bluetooth device, and this Bluetooth device both are connected. The LED and the Bluetooth device both are connected to Arduino. So I have already told you how to connect Bluetooth to Arduino. Now I will tell you how to connect LED to Arduino. So what you have to do, you have to take this breadboard. This is a breadboard, and on this breadboard what you have to do, you have to connect one LED. Okay, you can connect in any way, but you have to remember that where is your positive leg and where is your negative leg. So I have connected like this. This is my positive leg. Now in this positive leg, what I will do, I will connect one current limiting resistor so that I can protect my LED and it will not get burned. So I have connected one current limiting resistor to the positive leg of the LED, and the other end of the resistor is connected to pin number 13. It is connected to pin number 13 of the Arduino. You can see here pin number 13 is there. It is connected to, so it has come out somehow, so I have connected it again. So it has connected to pin number 13 of Arduino. I am programming according to that only, so that I have connected pin number 13 to Arduino. Now what will happen? Now the time is for the negative terminal of the LED. So negative terminal of the LED is connected to ground terminal, that is just above the pin number 13. Just above the pin number 13 you can see one ground terminal is there. So you can see now the LED is on. Now my circuit is complete. You can see this LED is glowing. You can see here this LED is glowing. Okay, so LED is glowing right now. Now what you have to do? You have after this connection you have to program the Arduino. You have to program the Arduino. So students, now it is the term for program. We have to write the program in Sketch, and what we have to do is we have to define first of all one character so that it can read on and off command from your phone to the Bluetooth. Why we are writing character? Because it is like in the alphabetical order. If it is like numerical order, we like 1 2 3 we can write int, and if it is like in decimal, like 18.53 and 19.29, so we have to write float, FLOAT. But here what we are getting is one character, that is on and off, that is alphabetical. So we have to define character here, CHAR character, and one variable we are creating, dummy variable. It is simple, anything you can put. I am putting data, that is equals to 0. 0 means it is a starting. Okay, we are starting from 0, and it is just a way to initialize. It is a fixed command, we cannot change it. So we have to whatever variable we are taking, like data, we have to initialize by 0. Okay, then what we do in void setup is we have to define our pins. The pins we are using, we have to define. Okay, so what pins I am using here? I am using pin number 13. Okay, and I have connected my LED to pin number 13. So I have to define pin mode in void setup. Okay, I have to define pin mode in void setup. So what comes in pin mode is what pin you are using. So I am using pin number 13. And what will be the operation of that pin? Is it giving any input to you, or it is giving any output to you? It is giving one output to us, that is the light of the LED. It is giving some signal or some light to the LED. So that is why I have to define pin mode 13, that is I have connected the LED on pin number 13. It is an output pin. Okay, so I have to write output. Okay, now this we have to close this void setup. Now it will come the turn of void loop. What a void loop do is you have to define the variables in void setup or pins of the Arduino to void setup, and whatever operation is going to perform by the Arduino, you have to program it in the void loop only. So what we do in void setup is to define the pins of the Arduino, and in the void loop we define the operation of the Arduino. Okay, so what we are doing is we are just calling the serial software of the Arduino. Why serial software? Because we have connected this Bluetooth device, okay, in the serial ports of the Arduino. Okay, that is transmitter, receiver, and all other pins are coming in the serial ports. So we have connected it to serial ports. So we have to check if serial port is available, serial dot available is greater than 0. Okay, it is greater than 0 means you are getting some data. Okay, what it means? If serial dot available is greater than 0 means your Bluetooth is available, some signal is coming on that, no 0. Okay, it is not deactivated, it is activated and you are getting some signal. So what it will do, it will read that serial. Okay, it will read that serial device, that is our Bluetooth here. Okay, so what data will do, it will read the serial device, that is Bluetooth, that it is activated or not. Okay, what signal is coming to it, and it will store the value in the data. Whatever value will coming after reading the serial device, that is our Bluetooth, that value will be stored into data. Okay, now we can print the data, and for printing the data in every new line we are putting /n. Okay, Now if we are getting, okay, now whatever value is coming to Bluetooth, that is stored in data. Okay, we have stored that value in data. If we are checking the condition, if that value of data is equal to 1, then what will happen? The pin number 13 will be high. Okay, high means it will be glowing. Okay, the pin number 13 will be high and that LED will glow. High means glow. Okay, and if we are getting the data that is 0, means if you are not getting any signal, then what it will do, it will write the pin number 13 is low, means off. High means on, low means off. Okay, in Arduino we have to write high and low. We cannot write off or on. We have to write high and low whenever you are writing anything in digital write. Why we are using digital write only here? Because we are getting only two values, that is on and off. On and off means like same as 1 and 0. For on we are getting 1 and for off we are getting 0. So we are getting digital values 0 and 1. So for that only we are writing digital write. Okay, if we are getting some values like 3.2 volt or 2.5 volt, so that will not be digital value, that is analog value. But you are getting two types of data only, two types of commands only, that is on and off command. On means 1, off means 0. So you are getting only two types of commands, so we are writing digital write, and so that you can connect the Bluetooth to your LED. Okay, now we will see the operation of the Arduino connected with LED and Bluetooth device. Okay, so students, after completing the programming, we have to verify our codes. So for verifying, what you have to do, you have to go to this tick mark, that is first option, and you have to verify your program. If you are not getting any orange color command here, means your data is correct. Okay, and you are ready to upload. So students, in this way you can compile your program and you have to upload. See, our LED is now glowing. You can see here perfectly. Okay, so what I have made all the connections. I have uploaded the program also through this cable from my laptop. I have uploaded the program in this Arduino. Now what you have to do is you have to just download. You have to download Amazon App Store. This is the Amazon App Store is there. You can see here perfectly Amazon App Store. So you have to download the Amazon App Store, and in that there will be one software that is called, there will be one application that is called LED controller. Okay, so you have to go to Amazon App Store and you have to install it, and you have to download LED controller app, and you can control your LED here to this. So I am opening the app and pair device. I have connected, this is my HC05 Bluetooth module. So I have to click on HC05 Bluetooth module. So I am connecting. Okay, now I see, you can see there are two options are coming. One is on and another one is off. Okay, so now my LED is already on. I will put on, nothing will happen. If I will put off, then what will happen? See, now the LED is off. If I will put on again, it will glow. Off means it will off. If we put multiple commands of off, it will not read. Now I will have to put on only. On means it is working. Off means off. On and off. On and off. So in this way you can make your own Bluetooth control LED. Thank you.